So today we are installing the YiCam, outdoor camera 1080p. So it's pretty easy to set up. I set it up in about 5 minutes. I have all this extension cord out just to make sure I can get Wi-Fi where I was planning on putting it. So I planned ahead first. So go through what's in the packaging. You got the camera. It's a standard outdoor camera. The USB cable is weatherproofed and actually hardwired in already, so you don't have to plug it in there. Comes with a standard USB plug. You can detach it right here. This is the mount for it. 4 screws. We've got a swivel on it right here. And it also comes with the hardware kit with a little mini screwdriver for the SD card on the bottom there. You've got wall plugs you can use for the brick wall, and you've got small Phillips screws that come with it. And what I'm going to do today, I'll go through what I'm using for the tools. I've got just a standard screwdriver. I like this one because this one's called Pick Quick. Has different bits on it and it comes right off. It's really good quality. Got my SDS drill for going through the brick wall, and because I didn't bring long enough bits today for my SDS drill, I'm gonna have my old 18 volt drill here that I'm gonna mount onto this big bit here to go through the wall. In this specific garage, I have to go through the brick wall and the drywall. And I'll go back to this actually. So because this YiCam is hardwired on the bottom there, you actually, to get the USB through the wall, you need to drill a pretty damn big hole. And I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this back and strip off the insulation. So that's what I have here. I have my wire strippers, got my knife here. I've got 2 butt connectors. I mean, if you're uncomfortable, you could use the heat shrink ones. They work just as well. I've got my crimpers here. And I've got my electrical tape. This is all going to be indoors and it's low voltage, so I'm not too worried about it. And then to fasten and run the cable, got my staple gun here. This is just a pretty shitty staple gun, but it does the job and it's pretty quick. So I'm going to get set up here and then continue with the install. This is a single car garage house. I have a 6-foot ladder here. I'm gonna put it up right here, mount it right there, about 8 feet from grade, and I checked the angle. I was able to get the whole driveway plus a little bit of the front porch here. The trick about mounting is to make sure you don't mount it too high up, or else it defeats the purpose, because you'll be seeing the top of everybody's head. And you know, the point of it is to catch whoever's trying to get into your house or trying to get into your garage, or in this case, get into the Porsche.
Oh, there we go. There it is.
So sure there's enough space between the two. Once you know it's in, you take one of these wire crimpers. I do a lot of work outside, so it helps to carry a small one with me. Give it a nice crimp, and a lot of times I might even do it in 2 separate spots just to make sure it's good. And then give it a little pull test. If it doesn't come off, then which means it's good to go. See on the inside there. Do the same for the black wire here.